Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to record sounds on your iPhone 17 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is open up the Recorder app. So what you guys want to do is go to the Spotlight and search for the either Recorder or Voice Memos. It's all the same. Now what we can do here, we can click on the red button, and as you guys can see, it follows our microphone. So now I'll stop talking and now I'll start. So you guys see the pause between my talking here. That's because it only catches our microphone. Now we can just stop the recording, and after that we can. So now I'll stop. As you guys can see, it works perfectly fine, and this is how you guys can easily record your voice. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.